Crash course on Korean economy. An analysis of South Korea's economy, including its major industries, trade partnerships, and economic challenges. Certainly, here's your requested crash course on Korean economy. South Korea is known for its rapid economic development and success, rising from one of the poorest countries in the world after the Korean War to one of the most prosperous in just a few decades. Today, South Korea is the world's 12th largest economy and a leader in technology and innovation. South Korea's major industries include electronics, automobiles, shipbuilding, steel, and textiles. Some of the country's most well-known companies include Samsung, LG, Hyundai, and Kia. These companies have helped make South Korea a global leader in technology, producing a wide range of products including smartphones, televisions, and semiconductors. In addition to these industries, South Korea is also a major exporter of goods, with its top trade partners including China, the United States, and Japan. South Korea is a member of the World Trade Organization and has free trade agreements with many countries, including the United States, the European Union, and China. Despite its success, South Korea's economy also faces challenges. The country has a high level of income inequality and a rapidly aging population. In recent years, the country has also faced political instability and tensions with neighboring North Korea. Top 12 Korean economy. Electronics industry. South Korea is home to some of the world's largest and most innovative electronics companies, including Samsung, LG, and SK Hynix. Automobile industry. South Korea is the world's 5th largest producer of automobiles, with Hyundai and Kia as major players in the industry. Shipbuilding industry. South Korea is the world's leading shipbuilder, with companies such as Hyundai Heavy Industries and Daewoo Shipbuilding and Marine Engineering. Steel industry. South Korea is a major producer of steel, with companies such as POSCO and Hyundai Steel. Textile industry. South Korea is a major producer of textiles and clothing, with companies such as Yongoni and Kolon Industries. Tourism industry. South Korea has a growing tourism industry, attracting millions of visitors each year to its cultural attractions, beaches, and natural wonders. Healthcare industry. South Korea has a well-developed healthcare system, with world-class hospitals and medical technology companies such as Samsung Medical Center and Meditox. Food industry. South Korea is known for its unique cuisine, and the country's food industry is a major contributor to the economy, with companies such as CJ Cheil Jedong and Lot Food. Financial services industry. South Korea has a strong financial services sector, with major banks such as Kookmin Bank and Shinhan Bank. Energy industry. South Korea is a major consumer of energy and has been increasing its investment in renewable energy sources such as wind and solar. Defense industry. South Korea has a well-developed defense industry, producing a range of products including tanks, missiles, and fighter jets. Gaming industry. South Korea is a major player in the global gaming industry, with companies such as Nexon and Netmarble. In summary, South Korea's economy has come a long way in a short amount of time, becoming a global leader in technology and innovation. While the country faces challenges, its major industries and trade partnerships have helped make it a prosperous and influential player on the world stage. And now, here's a poem and a song about Korean economy. Poem. From farming fields to the city skyline, South Korea's economy has climbed. Technology and innovation pave the way, as the nation grows stronger day by day. Manufacturing, electronics, and cars. These industries are among the stars. And with free trade agreements in hand, South Korea's economy expands. From the struggles of the past, the country has emerged at last. With determination and hard work, South Korea's economy now perks. Song. Verse 1. From the farms to the cities, South Korea's economy is thriving. With technology and innovation, the nation is constantly rising. Chorus. Manufacturing, electronics, and cars. These industries have reached for the stars. With free trade agreements in hand, South Korea's economy expands. Verse 2. From the ashes of war, South Korea's economy has soared. With diligence and tenacity, The country has reached prosperity. Chorus. Manufacturing, electronics, and cars. These industries have reached for the stars. With free trade agreements in hand, South Korea's economy expands. Bridge. Through challenges and obstacles, South Korea's economy perseveres. With a focus on the future, the nation's prosperity is clear. Chorus. Manufacturing, electronics, and cars. These industries have reached for the stars. With free trade agreements in hand, South Korea's economy expands. Asterisk asterisk asterisk. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences South Korea has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to South Korea, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid = 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Hub Metaverse Team.